Tippy toesy, tiny leaves.
Blip, plop, blip.
Whose are you? Whose are you?
Fizz, over here.
Oh, Hummingbird. I saw Zara zooming around here yesterday, crying because the storm blew her nest apart.
All right, Fizz, carefully now. Got it, Pip. One down. Let's make this furnace sled for the last one. Ready? Together. Push.
Keep a lookout for the ants. Careful with the eggs, Pip. Watch out, Drip Tip.
I can't see anything.
Let me help with that.
Oh, look. They're still here. My babies. Oh, my beautiful babies.
I thought the river took them.
So did I, Pip. So did I.
I thought the river took them.
Squeak, squeak, squeak. Thank you, Pip. Thanks for the nectar.